What we doing today, kiddo?
Going to Publix Mall.
Yup. We both slept in so long that we skipped over breakfast. Looks like there's a bunch of people at Pebbler's Mall too, Avery. I'm waiting on Joey to get off work.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through eyes covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around.
Good morning, darlings. I don't know why the kid's spitting out the window. Are you good?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, I just got that hacky little.
We're at Pebbler's Mall.
That stuff
We're at Pebbler's Mall.
Yep.
It's about 12. Oh, there's a ladybug on me.
Huh?
I think it bit me.
I'm here now.
So we're gonna go in here and do some thrifting, see what we can find today.
Yep. Yep. Can you grab that lawnmower one?
Lawnmower.
Not lawnmower. See it up?
Oh, this?
Yes. That was awesome.
They got more snakes and little bunnies for Easter. Oh, you thought it like slid off of them? Is these your favorite booths? What's your little doggy? Look, there's one that's mad.
I know.
Yeah. Oh, the owl's pretty cool. This is Metallica. It's an old band. R.I.P. my childhood. That is so sick.
What? You like
That's Ozzy Osbourne.
it? You want it?
And they also have the Aussie duck. That is sick.
My room, my world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
What's up? Okay, so we're in this one booth at the Pebbler's Mall. And they have, yeah, they mostly got tarts in here, I think. Yeah.
And they got mystery jewelries.
Yeah, they got mystery jewelry jars. There's none that I think I'd want to spend the money on,
Got these.
but
Fortnite.
there is a few little cute ones in here that I can see, but I don't think it'd be worth it for me to buy personally. It's the first time I've seen jewelry jars in here, though. Oh, that is pretty cool. Yeah. What is that? That's a 70 Chevy.
Yeah, there's a red car.
Oh, yeah, I didn't even see that one.
I might buy the red car.
Oh, yeah?
'Cause I don't
I didn't even know this. Let me flip the camera for them. They also have comic books.
One.
What?
I had to get one of those.
Which one? Point to it and I'll get it for you.
Yeah, show me that beetle one. What's that?
Beetle.
Yeah, right up.
This?
No.
Here.
That one, what's yellow?
Here. Set your stuff down. You Oh.
What else do they got? Ooh, they have this. I'm not like.
The kiddos' favorite.
Easter, so they might have Easter stuff.
Yeah, but we just got them 2 dog toys like Thursday night when we went to TJ Maxx. What's up, darlings? So we got about an hour till Joey gets off work. We spent about 30 minutes in the Pebblers Mall. Yeah, you want to show them while I drive?
Can you see that?
Yeah.
Black snake?
Yeah. Do you like 3D printed stuff? Hmm?
Yeah. Buy it in clothes.
I wonder if that's that one place that I wanted to go into.
Very cool. And that's it.
Yeah, we got some tarts for the smell goods in the house. I went to the Goody Wheel and bought me some Faded Glory, I think, jeans. H&Y Fashion, don't know what brand that is, but very cool. I love the Western. I mean, I grew up in the South, well, the Appalachians, but let's turn the air on. If my air conditioner works today. We're about to go to Bell's or Bella's, whatever the heck it is called. I always call it Bella's. Supposedly that's how it's actually pronounced, but it's like Bealla, I think. Anyways, it's pretty much like TJ Maxx. So we're gonna go over there and look for a little bit. It's about 12:30 right now. Joey gets off work at 1, so we'll probably see him about 1:30ish. So we're just killing time, and then after we get home, probably make something for Joey to eat if he's hungry, and clean the rest of the house, go pick up our grocery order, and then what are we making for dinner? Did you say pork chops or steaks? Pork chops? What, mashed potatoes, macaroni, rolls? Sound good? I think so. We're now in Five Below. It's 1:12, so Joey's off work now. We just shopping around though. I wanted fingernails. Cow print. Ooh, they have summer stuff out.
Psych.
Psych.
Yeah.
You're crazy. We need to see if there's like a tripod. Anywho, I think I want to be a great vlogger because I just don't care about filming in front of people. Which I wouldn't say vlogging, but I've been making like short videos and posting it to Snapchat for years now. So I don't think I want to have an issue with any of this. I think the boyfriend is going to have a harder time vlogging than I will, because I just don't care.
Take my eyes open to force reality.
I don't know how well you guys can hear me, but I gotta go get the crane from one of the guys over here. It's 12:40 on a Saturday and I leave at 1 o'clock. I think it's about time to clean up instead. It looks like he's kind of using it right now and I don't feel like making him stop what he's doing. Just so I can borrow it for 5 minutes. And then so I can clean up 5 minutes after that. So I'm just gonna slowly clean up right now.
Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
now we can be done. All cleaned up. Time to go. Time to get the out of here. Just made it home from work. About to go get a shower. Maybe out to a little car meet later. Before we get in the shower, gotta let the pups out. Stay. Stay. Okay. Good boy. Stay. Stay. Sit. Stay. Stay. Good girl. Okay. Good girl. Okay. Easy, guy. Hello.
I was gonna say anything. What's up, my guy?
What's up, my guy? We're almost to Walmart.
Are we just going in there to get a tripod?
Yeah, whatever else.
Oh yeah, we gotta get dinner.
Dinner and a tripod.
Now, what's a tripod?
It's for
It's
your
something
phone.
so we can set our phone down and we don't have to hold it. It's kind of like a phone mount, but we can set it down anywhere. That truck right there ain't bad looking.
No, that's nice. I don't really like the wheels.
I don't know, I like them. Sounds pretty
It's
good.
different though. So Walmart, and then we gotta clean.
Or no, the
Yeah,
car wash.
Yeah, we gotta go to the car wash, clean the car.
Look at everybody on these nice bikes.
Yeah, it's a pretty day. It's like, oh, it's 80.
Yeah, I said it was gonna be 80.
It was 77 earlier when I got home. Maybe that'll be our new punch bug.
What, WRXs?
Yeah.
No, that was a newer one.
That's a newer one?
Yeah, it was like, I don't know, like 2018.
I thought the older one. Oh, well, I guess
I mean,
could have been
I guess it's kind of older
Wait,
now.
so was that stock wing or aftermarket wing?
Well, it depends. If it was a WRX, it would have been aftermarket, but if it was an STI, it would have been stock.
Oh, well, I don't know the difference. Because they both look very similar.
Well, they're practically the same thing on the outside. We'll do any filming in, I want to say don't sound bad though, in Walmart though, but probably at the car wash.
Yeah, car wash, but not in Walmart. Looks like my old car. What if that is my old car?
You say that about everyone you see, honey.
Well, it's because every one of them has a really crappy paint job.
It's because they're all really crappy cars.
3.5 liter V8. Wait, what'd you say?
I don't remember.
Something about the Dodge Dart.
Oh, it's because they're all crappy cars.
Oh yeah, it's a very crappy car.
Every one I've seen, at least. Let us know
I mean,
if you
is
guys
it
have owned a
crappy
Dodge
cars?
Dart and if it's been a good car, because every one I've seen has been crap.
Yeah, if
All right, we'll catch you guys at the car wash. Made it to the car wash. And got a tripod.
yeah. So Walmart did have everything we need. Yeah. Cooked fender. then we are going to that car meet. That is at, well, it was at 2 to 6, and it is now 4:07.
Oh yeah, I forgot your things back.
It's 4:07. It ends at 6. It's right down the road-ish. Probably gets there for the last hour. But I bet they'll go on for probably a little bit longer.
Probably. There's like 3 car groups in this one. I can't remember who all 3 is part of. So it should be a big turnout, hopefully.
Okay, we'll probably see you guys at the car meet.
Kelsey's car.
Wait, did her boyfriend get a new car?
That's a GTI. No, that's his other car.
The R34? Oh no, that's silver one right there.
Yeah, a STI. Wonder where Kelsey's at.
Made it to the car meet. There's some sick stuff here.
The snow. Oh, eat your puppy dog.
I'm gonna get my car in the background, you know.
Bluegrass Outlaws and Midnight Motors.
Listen to it though.
It sounds good.
It's a
Yeah.
TDI, well, TDIs have a lot of turbo whistles.
Ended up in Zoe's car. Are you going to park it up? Yeah, I don't think we're going to be there.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
Heading out from the car show. Just following everybody.
We're going to go post up somewhere else.
Yep, gonna go post up somewhere else. I think we're going to a coffee shop here in town. Dutch Bros.
Go to Gloucester.
I think it sounds too bad.
Oh, dang. Here's all our friends, guys. I'm trying not to
Alright,
get
we'll
the-
catch you at the next spot.
What's up, boys?
Just
Just
like
up.
The meat.
Oh,
The phone will stay still.
here. See, this is why I have my seat all the way up, Blake.
If we'll ever watch this.
Gotta pump it. We just got back from the Midnight Motors Club car meet. They kind of switched up twice. They started out at a public park, and then we went to Dutchy Bros. Ooh, she looked pretty in the sun.
Dutch Bros.
Yeah,
It's also the camera. The camera's just good.
yeah, camera is sick.
What up? Made it home from the car meet.
We have crazy dogs.
Got the dogs going crazy.
Get down off that table, little girl. The floor's a mess right now.
That's Nova Girl. Well, one of them. Here, Moss, sit. This is Miles' boy. He's the best boy. And this right here is Nova Girl. She the bestest girl. We got the bestest dogs. If we do something, we'll pick you guys up.
Me and Joey got the Golden Eagle iced chai tea. That's our normal. And the kiddo got the brown butter chocolate chip,
chocolate chip.
which it was pretty good. He got to try it yesterday.
Today.
Gonna go get breakfast from the gas
Coffee
station.
and breakfast. And then
Mini golf.
mini golf. What are we gonna do after mini golf though?
I don't know. We might play some.
We'll have to have something to end off the vlog, you know.
I don't know. We could take the dogs for a walk today, or the dog park.
Thank you.
What do you think? What do you think?
Hey,
They just made you 2 mediums, so there you go.
thank you very much.
No problem.
You have a good day.
Thank you.
That's like the second
Time that's
time.
happened.
This is why we love our Dutch Bros.
That's why we get Dutch Bros. We got a medium,
A
a
medium.
small, and a medium, and we got 2 mediums
It got all pink.
for free.
Yeah.
So, well, 1 medium for the price of a small, and 1 medium
Yeah.
we paid for.
This is the second time they did us that way, but they like it. Technically, it's our mistake, so they don't even charge us for it or anything.
Yep.
But we love our Dutch Bros people.
I was gonna say the sun's like killing me for the video here.
You're kidding! I was showing the people. Spoiled.
It's good. Super duper good.
Well, you can't really see all the caramel in it, but the Golden Eagle chai tea. Avery, let me see yours for a second.
I started.
I started drinking one. It's good. Avery's is good. I tried it yesterday.
And they didn't give us a citation or anything
Dang,
for it.
look at
They-
that truck right there.
That is nice.
That's sweet.
Wait, are you talking about?
No.
Oh, you're
That
talking
semi
about.
truck right there.
Yeah.
That thing
I was
is
like,
nice.
wait, you talking about that Peterbilt?
Yeah. I'll
The
show you guys this. Absolutely clean looking. Absolutely insane.
Nay.
Alright, we'll see you guys after we get food. Okay. So we got our little breakfast sandwiches.
Yeah, they was about to switch over to lunch, but
Yeah,
that's on us.
they was switching to lunch, but we still got, well, I still got breakfast. They got chicken sandwiches, which
I mean, I
I
got
mean,
a
it's
chicken.
still breakfast. Yeah, she got a chicken, egg, and cheese. So
You got a bacon.
bacon, egg, and cheese.
Yeah.
Fire.
This is honestly probably one of the best gas station food places to come to in Kentucky. Hands down.
Fast lane, come here at any time.
Yeah, I think they really are 24 hour. I don't think their food's 24 hour, but their chicken and taters here, like their lunch.
Yeah, 24 hours, 7 days a week.
Their lunch special.
Or
Chicken, yeah, all of it's good, but their chicken and taters, amazing.
That's mine, sucker.
No, it's not. This one's yours.
Well, yeah, that one's mine now because it's more full.
That's the one you took a drink out of when I was trying to show the people what they wanted to see.
I was drinking out of yours.
No, and then you took a drink out of it before I did, so it became yours. That thing does look crazy on camera.
Yeah. What?
Okay. We'll see you guys when we're home, probably. Made it back. Sun's so bright. We're home.
At least the house is clean. Or was.
Should be. Stay in there. Hi, Bubby. Stay in there. Come on. Hi, Bubby. Hi, Bubby.
What are you doing?
Hello.
What's up?
About to go to mini golf.
Yeah, I'm about to go smoke all y'all in mini golf.
Okay.
Definitely.
She's definitely about to be the loser.
But yeah, we're gonna go mini golfing. And then we gotta pick up batteries and dog food because I forgot dog food earlier.
We gotta go get some puppy chow.
Yeah.
We'll catch you guys at the golf course.
Oh, I didn't know you had it
Well,
recorded.
made it to mini golf. And
But they're closed.
Yeah. On the website it says they're open, but it might be like seasonal for this, so it might not be time
They're
for it
not
to
yet.
be opened.
So we're
But
trying
y'all-
to find something to do. Yes, sad.
Why?
I don't know. We'll figure out what we're doing and catch you guys then. We're gonna die on the dogs here.
Yeah, both the dogs are sitting in here, but this is their outro.
Yeah. Well, we didn't find anything else to do.
Yeah, mini golf was shut down and I wasn't driving I wasn't riding 45 minutes to go to another one.
And pay more money than what we would have had to pay.
Yeah,
So we just came home and had dinner.
and then we took the dogs for a ride to go get dog food.
Yeah. Now we're about to go to bed.
Yeah.
Just wanted to say thank you guys for watching our first vlog.
Yeah, I think it did. I think we did
I think
pretty good.
I think it's a pretty good turnout
For the
what it
first
was.
time.
Yeah. I had fun making it.
You might see more.
More
Car
car related content.
Yeah, that's pretty much all we do on the weekends anyways.
Yeah. But
Yeah, the
Oh.
end.
yeah, thanks for watching.
Yeah.
Peace
like,
out.
Subscribe.
Like and subscribe, yeah. Have a good night.
Give me the top part.